Build a gabled roof. A gabled roof is a type of roof wherein the roofs meet at an angle to form slopes. This is ideal for houses that are located in areas where there is a lot of rain and snow. The slopes on the roof prevent the snow and rain from settling since they will just slide down. This is beneficial since it preserves the roof and prevents mold and mildew from forming. Building your own gabled roof entails hard work. Follow the step-by-step instructions to learn how to do this. Materials to prepare. The materials that you need for this are plywood, bracing wood, ridge board, rafters, tape measure, hammer, nails, studs and other building items that you think may be handy. Purchase your materials from the hardware store and make sure that you have enough to cover your entire roof. Get measurements. The first step is to get the measurements for your gabled roof. Think of the design that you want and how high you want the slope to be, so that you can cut the wood in the right size. Place ridge boards. Place the ridge boards on your roof. Use a pencil to make marks on where you will place the rafters for the roof. Afterwards, screw in some studs to the marks that you have placed on the rafters. Add plywood. Secure some plywood on the roof and nail them down. The plywood is what you will use so that you can move safely on the roof while you are building the gables. Make sure that the plywood is sturdy and that you secure them with enough nails to carry your weight. Build gable roof. Now you can start building the gable roof. Install the ridge boards on the roof according to which direction you want it. Afterwards, add the rafters. Place some wood to mount the rafters at an angle to come up with the shape of the gable roof. Once the base of the roof is done, you can start doing the gable roof. You must start on the edges of the roof going towards the center where the two sides of the roof will meet at a high angle. Mount the ridge boards and rafters by using some nails. When installing, place the components alternately on each side so that your roof will be balanced. Finish until both sides meet at the center. Finish the roof. Now that the roof is done, you have paint over the wood with waterproof sealant or stripping to add more protection from snow and rain. This will make your roof sturdier and more resistant to harsh weather conditions. Now you know how to build your own gable roof. You might need help when doing this, especially if you are building a large roof. Make sure that you wear safety goggles and work gloves while working on the roof to avoid accidents from happening. Avoid working on the roof during the rainy season since it can be slippery.